How to delete Capcom account or how to delete Capcom account or Resident Evil ID. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Capcom account or delete your Resident Evil ID. Now the thing is same, as you know, you'll have to play the Resident Evil ID or the Capcom ID is the same. So what you want to do is, if you want to delete it, you can simply head into your browser, and on your browser you want to head into capcom.com. You can see here I'm on the official Capcom webpage here, capcom.com, and Capcom ID here. You can see my mission 64. I'm already logged into my account. Now first you want to head into capcom.com, and here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you can see, as you are logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon that you'll find beside your username, as you can see on the screen at the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see the very first account option in the yellow list. So simply tap on the account option and this will load up. Now as this page loads up, this account page, you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option delete your account. Here you can see delete your Capcom ID at the bottom of screen. Account and personal information registered to your Capcom ID can be deleted completely. Platform account link information will not be deleted, however. So you want to simply tap on begin the account deletion process, and once you tap on it, it will take you through certain steps. Here you can see you'll have to enter your password, and after you enter your password, your account deletion will be completed. You want to simply tap on this I understand and accept these terms, and simply head into begin the Capcom ID account deletion, and it'll ask you for password, and once you confirm your password, you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Capcom account or the Resident Evil account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.